Good morning, fishing naman tayo ngayong araw. Yung spot natin, no? Grabing kalmada. Fish on tayo, fish on. Oh, palag. Okay. First cast. Huli. Second fish. Huli. Fish on. Dali na naman. Pangatlo.